A couple of people have asked me what is included in my NCLEX study program, so I figured I would give you a virtual tour of the online course. Here's the welcome area teaching you how to use this course every day, and here's where you can find the printables that you use for your lecture content and practice questions. This area is if you failed previously. I have 3 sections for you: how to read your report, how to self-evaluate. Now, phase 1 is all about studying for the NCLEX, how to create the perfect study environment and your schedule. Phase 2 is how to prepare the day before, and phase 3 is how to prepare on the day of. Let's go back to phase 1 and I want to show you the daily schedule that you follow. So this is what to do every single day. I suggest 2 hours, bare minimum 30 minutes. You start with the 5-minute meditation to lower your anxiety. Then you go into the test bank and you do 5 questions at a time with these 3 printouts in front of you. Every 5 questions, you're going to do my 4 square breathing exercise to practice lowering your anxiety. Then you're going to head to lecture content and the study guides, and then you're finished. Here's an example of how to set your timers for whatever block you can budget for. I really do suggest 2 hours. And then after that, let's talk about the lecture content. The lecture content is separated into the categories of the NCLEX, so you understand what falls under those categories, like what the heck is physiological integrity. And then I also have the PDF study guides, everything that you were supposed to learn in school, just making sure that you know it. And then we have the test anxiety section. 3 of these videos you're going to do every single day. I want to make sure that that's really low. And this is where I put this test strategy and critical thinking Zoom calls. We do them twice a month if you're in the course. And of course, what comes next? After you pass, how do you transition? How do you ace an interview? How do you take on patients? That's the whole thing.